So guys, I'm really excited to tell you that I've created my free Instagram crash course. Okay, so you can discover how to get your first 10,000 hyper targeted Instagram followers easily. The link is down below. Go and check it out. It's a completely free course. A lot of people were asking me that, what is an Instagram strategy, how to monetize Instagram, how to get more engagement, how to get more links. Everything's inside this course, guys. So as you could see on the screen right now, just have to enter the email and that's it, guys. You get a free course. Everything's included in the course, guys. You'll learn a lot of things. You can learn how to get more link clicks, get more profile visitors, how you can optimize your account settings, how you can monetize Instagram, my skyscraper hashtag growth strategy. Everything's inside this course, guys. So go and check it out. It's a free course, and I think so I'm gonna keep it for a limited period of time, and then I'm gonna start charging. The reason for that is, guys, right now it's on, I've launched it. Now I want to get your more feedback, make it much more better. And as it's 2020, as well as the Instagram algorithm keeps on changing. Whatever courses were done in the past, now it's done and dead. Now this is the most up-to-date course, and all the course materials are up to date. And as you know, guys, I'm updating it daily. Like, my YouTube videos are daily, so I'm just up to date with everything, guys. So go and check it out and let me know. Okay, so I would see you inside the course.